Hello everyone! All interested in IGBT and silicon carbide power solutions can find me in Munich next week to discuss how Power Semiconductor helps power electronics industry to adopt the latest semiconductor technologies. As for semiconductors, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Mitsubishi Electric announced that it has developed a new structure for a silicon carbide MOSFET embedded with a Schottky barrier diode, which the company has applied in a 3.3 kV full SiC power module for large industrial equipment such as railways and DC power systems. Samples began shipping on May 31st. The chip's new structure is expected to help downsize railway traction systems as well as make them more energy efficient and contribute to carbon neutrality through the increased adoption of DC power transmission. Navitas Semiconductor announced the first in series of strategic manufacturing investments to increase control, reduce costs, and enhance revenue capacity for its Gen S6 silicon carbide power semiconductors. An initial $20 million investment enables a 3-reactor silicon carbide epi growth facility at the company's Torrance, California headquarters. Adding a silicon carbide epitaxial layer onto a raw silicon carbide wafer is the first step in manufacturing individual silicon carbide power devices. Vitesco Technologies and onsemi announced a 10-year long-term supply agreement worth $1.9 billion for silicon carbide products to enable Vitesco Technologies ramp electrification technologies. Vitesco Technologies is providing an investment of $250 million to onsemi for new equipment for silicon carbide bull growth, wafer production, and epitaxy to secure access to silicon carbide capacity. The equipment will be used to produce silicon carbide wafers to support Vitesco Technologies' growing silicon carbide demand. In parallel, onsemi will continue to invest substantially into end-to-end silicon carbide supply chain. Ideal Semiconductor, a fabless semiconductor company focused on delivering breakthrough power efficiency, announced the general availability of its patented SuperQ technology. SuperQ can reduce power loss in many applications, including data centers, electric vehicles, solar panels, motor drives, medical devices, and white goods. Its elevated efficiency reduces carbon footprints and allows for a more sustainable future. Ideal's engineers and scientists reinvented the power device architecture and delivered a step function increase in performance. The technology is based in silicon, which represents 95% of global semiconductor manufacturing capacity and is forward-compatible with future power semiconductor materials. With a total investment of €100 million, the Nordborg, Denmark headquartered group's new Nanjing factory will manufacture IGBT modules, which are power semiconductor die products. This move will strongly support its businesses in e-mobility, energy, and industrial applications in China. The growth opportunities come from many Chinese companies' moves to pursue sustainable growth, the government's foreign trade and consumption stimulus packages, and a rapid pace of industrial upgrading. Magnachip Semiconductor announced that the company is separating its display and power businesses into separate entities, following approval by its board of directors and strategic review committee. The company plans to effectuate the internal separation by establishing a new subsidiary under Magnachip Semiconductor, the company's operating subsidiary. As part of the transaction, all assets and liabilities of the display business will be contributed to the new company in exchange for equity. Silicon carbide has increased the efficiency of power converters in many applications. However, general-purpose motor drives haven't been able to benefit from silicon carbide due to cost and technical limitations. Now, changing market conditions and advances in technology mean silicon carbide makes sense in variable torque applications. When considering the complete motor drive, the return on investment for silicon carbide becomes apparent. Equally important is understanding the reliability of this high-performance technology. Join this Semicron Danfoss webinar to learn how silicon carbide is now a cost-effective and reliable solution. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more Power Semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.